Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry, and today we're going to start the Discord Easter eggs series where I show you hidden things that are sprinkled throughout Discord's website and also on the platform itself. And the first one I wanted to show you today is that there is actually a hidden snake game sitting on the 404 page. So if you find yourself on the discord.com/404 page, which usually means whatever you were looking for you couldn't find, you'll notice over here, there's this lovely robot trying to fix things on the computer, but there's this blue button, and it's glowing slightly compared to the background, and if you click on it, boom, there is the snake game that you can press any button, and it'll show you what you can do. So it's just like regular Snake. You can use WASD or the arrow keys to move. You hit enter to start, and then it just plays like any ordinary Snake game. You eat whatever is on screen, and then you try to grow as big as possible for the highest score that you can. And then if you either touch your own body, which would be like eating yourself, or you touch the sides, you die. So pretty straightforward, and as you grow, you get faster and faster, your snake gets longer and longer. I used to really love this game when I was a kid. I used to play this on my first cell phone that was an old Nokia that screen was black and slightly blue. And I played this and Tetris so much that I once had like a Tetris dream. So yeah. But yeah, you can play this game for free. It's on the discord.com/404 page. I will put the link in the video description for you to check it out at home. Until next time, I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And just remember, the way to activate this particular little game is there's this blue button over here next to the console, and you just click it. So bye, everybody, and have a good one.